get you. I don't know what get you. I know that the monkey's fire get you in Monkey Country, and I know the monkey swoop down and get you in try to get you in Whimsy Woods. I know that, but I don't know what gets you in Emerald City. Oh, I know it. The monkeys that are on these things and they go down when they see you, and you have to go under it so the monkeys don't get you. If you went on top of it, they would just have their arm up and then you would trip over and then the other monkey would just pick you up and get you. That's what they would do.
What does the monkey do when it gets you?
Oh, brings you back to its cave.
And then what does it do?
Eats you.
The monkey eats you?
Yeah. I've seen a video of it. It has a video at the end if you die. And I always get scared of it. That's what I always do. I just like, uh-oh, I'm not gonna listen!
Don't let the monkeys eat you.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to get the China girl. And I do not even want to die. Because I do not want to see that video.
Look here. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look here.
Bye-bye.